Hello? Yes, this is Sandwich Dad. Looks like it's turkey time. No, boy, I don't mean Canadian Thanksgiving. Although that is coming up. But it is deli turkey breast time. Because our friend Viskiff up here wanted something to do with turkey. So let's do some turkey sandwich. So in addition to the turkey, I've got some Swiss cheese, red onion, some capsicum pepper, some lettuce, some Dijonnaise, an alligator pear, and a Superstore Italian bun. First, let's do the avocado. You can mash it or you can slice it. Today I've chosen slice for some reason. But alligator pear definitely needs some salt and pepper. And maybe some juice from a plastic lime. Next we'll do a quick marinade of some onions in some oil and vinegar and sugar and salt and pepper. And throw those on there. And then we layer 4 slices of turkey and some triangles of our Swiss cheese. Feed the leftover alligator pear to the boy. Then some Dijon and mayonnaise, some crunchy red pepper, and some shredded lettuce. Then we combine. Photograph for Instantgram. Go follow my Instantgram at sandwichdad.ca. Cut in half as to have a reveal, and then reveal. Pineapple Hair Sandwich Lad and Sandwich Dad saying to you, good day. Rating? 4 out of 5 easy chairs. Try it for yourself, let me know in the comments.